We've all encountered them, those magnetic bad boys who seem to effortlessly draw people in. They have this aura, this don't give a damn attitude that for some reason just works. It's like they've tapped into some primal code of attraction. But what is it about the bad boy that's so damn appealing? In this video, we're diving deep into the psychology behind the bad boy persona. We're gonna break down why it works, separating the toxic BS from the genuinely attractive qualities. Because here's the thing, you don't have to be a jerk to harness this energy. This is about understanding the core principles of what makes this archetype so compelling and learning how to integrate those elements into your own life. We're talking confidence, assertiveness, and that playful, challenging energy that sparks attraction. So buckle up because we're about to decode the bad boy blueprint. Number 1, they are aggressively competitive. Let's talk about that competitive edge, man. That drive to be the best, to push the limits. It's like a fire in your belly, and women can feel it a mile away. It's primal, it's raw, and it's undeniably attractive. But it's not about being a jerk to everyone around you. It's about having that inner drive to succeed, to conquer your goals. That energy is contagious, man. It shows you're passionate, driven, and not afraid to go after what you want. Think about it. The guys who are crushing it in life, they usually have that competitive spirit. They're not afraid to take risks, to put themselves out there. And that's magnetic. Number 2, they don't care about everything. Bad boys don't sweat the small stuff. They don't get bogged down by every little inconvenience. They're selective about what they give their energy to. Think about it. Have you ever been around someone who freaks out over every little thing? Now imagine the opposite, someone who stays calm, cool, and collected. It's about discerning what truly matters and what's just noise. Learn to let go of the things you can't control. When you stay centered, it commands respect. It shows you're in control of your emotions, and that's attractive. Number 3, they master the art of playful teasing. It's like walking a tightrope. You gotta be confident, you gotta be witty, and you gotta know when to pull back. Done right, it creates this electric tension, this playful back and forth that's magnetic. Think about the guys who are really good with women. They're not afraid to poke fun, to challenge, to create that spark. It's never mean-spirited, it's always playful, and it shows they're not afraid to engage on a deeper level. Now the key here is to read the room. Not everyone responds well to teasing, so you gotta feel out the vibe and make sure it's landing the right way. It's about being playful, not disrespectful. When you can master that playful, teasing energy, it shows you're confident, you're comfortable in your own skin, and you're not afraid to create a little bit of tension, and that's a powerful combination. Number 4, they are womanizers. Let's address the elephant in the room. The stereotype of the bad boy as a womanizer. Now I'm not here to endorse disrespecting women. That's just weak sauce. But there's a reason this element is part of the archetype. It's about that undeniable charm, that ability to make someone feel like they're the only person in the room. It's about confidence, wit, and that playful energy we talked about. The key here is to separate the BS from the genuine qualities. Charm without respect is just manipulation, and that's not what we're about. It's about treating everyone with respect, regardless of their gender, while still embodying that confident, charismatic energy. Think about it. The guys who are genuinely successful with women, they're not playing games, they're not manipulating, they're being their authentic selves, and that authenticity is what draws people in. It's about confidence, it's about respect, and it's about creating a genuine connection. Number 5, they know that confidence is the king. If there's one thing that defines the bad boy persona, it's unwavering confidence. It's that inner knowing that you're worthy, you're capable, and you deserve to take up space in the world. And trust me, people can feel that energy a mile away. Think about the guys who command attention when they walk into a room. It's not about their looks, their money, or their status. It's about the energy they radiate, that quiet confidence that speaks volumes. Now, confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you cultivate. It comes from pushing your comfort zone, embracing challenges, and racking up wins in your own life. Start small, set goals, crush them, and celebrate your victories. The more you prove to yourself that you're capable, the more that confidence will build. And the best part? Confidence is contagious. When you believe in yourself, it inspires others to believe in you too. Number 6, they master the art of assertiveness. Let's be real, nice guys often finish last because they're afraid to assert themselves. They shy away from confrontation, they avoid setting boundaries, and they end up getting walked all over. Bad boys, on the other hand, they understand the power of assertiveness. They're not afraid to speak their minds, set clear boundaries, and go after what they want. Now here's the crucial distinction. Assertiveness is not aggression. It's not about bullying or being disrespectful. It's about communicating your needs and boundaries clearly and respectfully, while still honoring the other person's perspective. It's about that calm, confident energy that says, "This is what I want, this is what I need, and I'm not afraid to ask for it." And that, my friends, is incredibly attractive. Number 7. They possess emotional self-control. One of the most powerful traits a man can possess is emotional self-control. It's that ability to stay grounded, to not be ruled by your emotions, to be the eye of the storm even when chaos is swirling around you. Think about it, have you ever been around someone who flies off the handle at the slightest provocation? It's exhausting, right? Now imagine the opposite, someone who stays calm, cool, and collected even under pressure. That's magnetic. This doesn't mean you suppress your emotions or pretend you don't have them. It's about developing the self-awareness to recognize your triggers, to process your emotions in a healthy way, and to choose how you respond rather than reacting impulsively. When you can master your emotions, you become an anchor in a world of chaos. You exude an aura of strength, stability, and confidence that's incredibly attractive. Number 8. They employ the thrill of the chase. The thrill of the chase, it's a primal instinct hardwired into our DNA. And let's be honest, a little bit of mystery, a little bit of challenge, it keeps things interesting. But here's the thing. The chase isn't about playing games or manipulating someone's emotions, it's about creating a dynamic where both people are engaged, where there's mutual interest and a desire to connect on a deeper level. Think about it. The most fulfilling relationships are those that keep evolving, where both partners are invested in growing together. It's about creating a space where you can challenge each other, surprise each other, and keep the spark alive. The key is to make sure it's a two-way street. Are you both equally invested? Are you both enjoying the journey? When the chase is built on mutual respect, genuine interest, and a healthy dose of playfulness, it can be an incredibly exciting and fulfilling experience. Before moving on, if you are finding any value in this video, all I ask is for a quick like and subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss the topics we will cover in upcoming videos. In conclusion, the bad boy persona continues to captivate because it embodies confidence, unpredictability, and a strong sense of self, qualities that naturally draw people in. By understanding why this persona works, you can harness its appeal without compromising your values or integrity. Remember, it's not about being reckless or disrespectful, but about embracing a mindset of self-assurance, assertiveness, and emotional control. Use these traits to enhance your own high-value qualities, leading with authenticity and respect. When you strike the right balance, you become not just a bad boy, but a high-value man who commands attention, earns respect, and leaves a lasting impression. If you want to know the most significant signs that a woman shows when she is sexually interested in you, check out the video on the top right corner. And for a deeper dive into these concepts, check out the link in the description below. It's time to unleash your inner alpha.